Virus also has a survival instinct. It will do whatever it takes for it to survive. So the more the virus spreads, the more it will mutate. The more we do the vaccination, the more it will mutate. And one particular mutation which gives the survival benefit to that virus, or makes the virus more transmissible, or makes the virus more serious, would be the one which will replace all other existent strains. So it's a race. Who wins? Virus will mutate. We have to act fast. We act fast, virus mutates. This will keep going on till a critical population of the world either has had an infection or has been vaccinated. So I think at this stage, the focus has to be twofold. We need to fast vaccinate our population. We need to, those who have not been vaccinated should get the first dose. Those who have been given the first dose must now reduce the interval and get the second dose. The companies which are manufacturing vaccines need to now come with the second generation vaccines, which incorporates these newer strains. We have to continue the strategy of testing and quarantining people. That national lockdown strategy is to go away, because the countries cannot be in perpetual state of lockdown. So it has to be more of a regional and district level lockdowns, stricter quarantine and testing, and access to medications, even in the remotest of the areas. I think if we focus on this, and not to forget that people's behavior is actually what is going to determine whether future waves happen or not. So people need to be cognizant. We've been from day one changing the gaps between two doses of vaccine, especially if you're talking about Covishield. Started with 1 month, then 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks. Whatever said and done, if we have to tackle this Delta strain now, I personally feel we need to reduce the gap back to the shorter interval, so that we can address two things. Give the first dose to as many people, and give the second dose faster to those who have had first vaccine, because clearly with the Delta strain, one dose of vaccine gives you only about 30 to 40% protection. We definitely want that to be above 50-60%, which can only happen with 2 doses. I think I can clearly give one assurance that we ultimately will come up victorious. Okay, we will get freedom from present COVID, but one needs to remember that this is not the last epidemic or pandemic which humankind will see. There will be many more, but as intelligent beings, we need to understand that we have to learn from all these bad experiences and move on in life to have better lives for all of us. And we can clearly see the virus coming down. Clearly, our technology, our healthcare, human beings, we will get victorious, provided all of us behave sensibly, understand what is required to be done, understand the basic nature of this virus. If we behave sensibly, in coming few months, we shall get over this bad times also. How soon will the life return back to normal? My answer to that is, I think we have to reset and go to a new normal. Let's not presume that what was old is always the normal. Let's reset our new normal and behave accordingly, and work together, and have faith in the system. And lastly, please get yourself vaccinated, and please follow a COVID appropriate behavior. That's the only way forward to look to a new starting of next year.